78% of EPC projects run over budget and behind schedule. ये मैंने एक स्टडी में पढ़ा था, but I feel the number is even more than that. You might also have experienced this, and I can say this with confidence because मैं खुद एक business owner रह चुका हूँ और मुझे पता है कैसे छोटी-छोटी delays की वजह से cash flow disturb हो जाता है. Hi, I'm Milind Bibikar. For the past 10 years, I have been helping B2B engineering and manufacturing companies to improve their project management and cash flow. After doing this successfully for multiple businesses, I have 3 pointers to share with you that have worked for me and for my clients. मुझे पता है आपका समय कीमती है, इसलिए explanation छोटा रखा है. Let's start with improving the payment collection process. Firstly, avoid one-time payment at the end of the project. Instead, break it into smaller chunks, either on pro rata basis or milestone basis. This type of billing keeps cash coming in while the project moves forward. One client who made this change saw their cash flow improve noticeably. Next step is to set up a warning system so that we can save the project from getting delayed. For this, a simple traffic light system works effectively. Divided into 3 categories: red, yellow and green. Green means सब चंगा सी, सब अच्छा है, सब चल रहा है. Yellow means कुछ तो गड़बड़ है and you need to look into it where it is going off track. And lastly, red means खतरे की घंटी, और जब तक खतरे की घंटी बजती रहे तब तक सब साइड में छोड़ दो और उसका solution निकालो. Sound simple, right? So this approach helps you stay ahead of the problems and keep things moving smoothly. These signals can vary for every business and project needs. Lastly, align the supplier payments with client payments. By aligning their schedules with when you get paid, you can avoid cash flow gaps. अभी ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि जब कमिट किया है क्लाइंट ने तभी पैसा देगा, हो सकता है पर मुश्किल है. To avoid it, add a little buffer time in between those payments. ये प्रॉब्लम इतना बड़ा है कि I have separate case study video explaining how I help companies improve the payment collection process. You will find it in link somewhere. This is what's from my end. I hope you will implement this. See you soon.